I think this is even going to be miles too much. It's much too close.
We're sort of speechless in the commentary box after that. What an amazing sight, what an amazing aircraft this is. 238 feet long, a wingspan of 261 feet, but perhaps I think the most remarkable figure is this aircraft. It's 80 feet high. Maximum takeoff weight of 1.2 million pounds. 4 engines, each rated at 80,000 pounds of thrust.
Andy, there's many words that come to mind when you look at a display like that. Unfortunately, none of them we can say over a public address system.
It's really difficult to talk when your jaw has hit the ground.
Andy, this is a strange combination. It's a really spirited display, but in slow motion, isn't it? It's unbelievable, really. And when you think of what that aircraft is designed to do, which is basically just take off in a straight line, go in a straight line and land somewhere else, the manoeuvrability of this thing is actually quite astounding.
Astounding indeed. Just look at that turn. That's very, very steep. And also very slow. Captain today is Peter Chandler, and he rang me from Toulouse around about midday to tell me what he was going to do for his display for us this afternoon. And this is the slow speed pass. Now you don't need me to tell you that, but this aircraft is down to around about 110, even as low as 100 knots.